random guy. Thanks so much for the follow. Thanks for being here. My friend sells it, but she doesn't have like an actual. Longer I'll be on, and if I'm gonna play Apex or what we're gonna do. Excuse me. So yeah. God, where's this coming from? Truly appreciate it. Yay. Oh, here we go. Here. Excuse me.
Are you ready for food?
I'm somewhat ready for food, yeah. Hi, Keegan. How are you tonight? But yeah.
So it was like literally the last round, and I just kept forgetting.
On radish. Just, oh man. I love the side dishes. Excuse me. Hi, Ruru, too. Oh my god, that burp could not be. I was working on Ghidorah a bit. Oh my god, mister. Oh my god, I'm just see it. Oh god, I'm disgusting. That's so cute. It's yucky. Alright, let me see if I can hook up Animal Crossing. Ooh, cake. Because Mr. Fuck. I'm just gonna go right here. Red though, but the bunny ears are perfect. Flowers, I keep getting distracted. Oops. The game laughed. But she's also playing Stream Raiders every 5 minutes. As Animal Crossing.
Full clown con.
Oh my god. Random winners are the Shinigami and Jin.